Yeah, there is already in the last class we are started our new lesson, that is only the 5th lesson. Sixth lesson, that is only the reflection of light at a plane surface. Plane surface. Clear or not, all the students? Reflection of light at a plane surface. Here, there is a what we are taken here. Here we are takes in the last class about what is the reflection, what is the reflection loss. Okay, what is the reflection? When the light is enter from light source and it is a fall on. It's a fall on where? It's a fall on one obstacle media. It is again enter into the same medium or same plane. That is only called what? Reflection. I hope you got it, all the students. Don't write any related matters in our chat box, all the students. Okay, there is a what we are takes here. There is a light is a come from. Okay, now yes, one source, and it is a what? It is obstacle of a yes one of the light, and it is returned back. This phenomena of light is only called what? This phenomena of light is only called what? Reflection. Okay, this is the I, this is the R. There is a two reflection laws are there. What is the two reflection laws? First one is what here? First one is all the rays. That is a what? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal, and as well as there is a all the plane. It is about actually, it is about what actually? It is coplanar. Second one is angle I is equal to angle R. Incidence angle is equal to reflected angle. Incidence angle is equal to reflected angle. These two are only called reflection phenomena. These two are only called what? Reflection phenomena. Reflection laws. Yes. And now we are going to discuss the remaining concept. What is here? That is only activity 1 based. There is it here where before that, yes, formation of image by a pinhole camera. Okay, now formation of image by a pinhole camera. That is activity 1 we are taken. How the image is formed because of the pinhole camera, you know very well. Yes, how the image is formed. Here we are taken one candle here. What we are taken? One candle in front of a camera. For this purpose, you take a candle in front of a camera here. Now the light rays are came from where? The light rays are came from this flame. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The light rays are came from this flame. Okay, and now there is a what we are taken. What we are takes here? There is a what? Here we take one pinhole camera here. One of the pinhole camera. Here the light rays are came from here. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The light rays are came from here and they fall at this particular position. Sorry. Yes, this is only the what here we consider. This is only about what our yes the light rays are enter into the camera. Okay, now and as well as it is emitted through that our pinpoint this particular point. Then after they are what meet it on the screen, automatically our whatever image is formed in the form of what actually in the form of lateral inversion mode it will be formed. Okay, clear or not all of you? Why? Because it is a forms like that. Yes, what would be the happen here? There is a what is a happen? There is a what here increase in the size of the hole. What is going on? Yes, here when we increase the size, okay, when we increase the small hole size, automatically, okay, now our light rays are made like that. It will be moves and our size of our whatever this flame is appear in the form of image. It is the decreases here. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. Yeah, there is so many questions are there. So many concepts are there here. Okay, what is that concepts are here? There is a when we are taken a pinhole camera, how our image is formed. First you have to know this is only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, already you learned it is in a 7th class. Already you learned it is in your 7th class. I hope you learned it is in your 7th class actually. Yeah, this is not you learned this topic, you learned in your 7th class. There is about a mirrors, convex mirror, concave mirror, how they converge this mirror, how they diverge the mirror, that all the things we are discussing. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here, there is, we are used, there is a whatever the pinhole camera, it will be there. It will be contain a small hole and it will be contain a lens here actually. Okay, clear or not all? In the camera, what will be there? In the lenses are there. Okay, through the lenses, the light raw enter, and here, in case you are have the somewhat questions in this our textbook as about that activities. Okay, now what is that questions? Once we have to go to discuss here. Yes, here there is a most observations are also possible. The first question, in case we are takes it is a where what happened if the hole is much bigger is equal to the size of the flame. Okay, it is a very small. In case we taken the size of the flame is like this, what is going on? Okay, now there is a what light rays are occur fall here and automatically the screen that whatever the image size is may decreases. Clear or not all the students? And next to come to here, if you so can we get an image flame on the screen of the pinhole camera. y. Yes, here get for us that image, but it will be what? Somewhat a smaller will be get for us. The next to come here, what happened if we observe the same flame with the same pinhole camera from a long distance? When we go away from that, okay, now what is going on? Just a minute, I will show you what is going on because of these all the situations. Just 1 minute. Yeah, you take like this whatever our lamp you have to take here. Just a minute. You observe through this. Just a minute, students. There is a what actually we are already in a camera only. That's why we are taken this. There is a this is the one of the okay na yes whatever flame of lamp. The flame of lamp may you observe through this camera. Yeah, like this it is observed now. And now I am increasing the size of this. What is going on? Equal to this flame I will take here. Yeah, dear students, one check here. Observe through this particular small hole. Okay, there is I am taken very small hole. When I am taken a big hole equal to this flame, what it is happened? Yeah, 1/6 here. Very near to it. Yeah, like I am taken very near to it. Go away from it. Once check here, all the students, once observed in your home also, it is may possible. You prepare pinhole camera. How to prepare pinhole camera? You know very well. There is a what is going on. Why it is appear in inversion mode? You know very well, all the students. Once check it here once again through the pinhole camera. How our image is formed. Once check here first, then after we go with the what different diagrams here. Okay, listen carefully. Throughout this lesson, so many experiments are made possible to do also. Here there is a what we are taking. There is it is a pinhole camera. There is a small hole we are taking here. In front of this there is a what we are taking. One flame we are taking here. Okay, clear or not all the students? One flame you have to take here in front of it. Okay, clear? And now there is a what? How the razor comes from it? How the razor comes from it? Yes, the razor comes from it in this way, in this manner. Okay, there is a what? One ray is a come from here, another ray is a come from here. Okay, he extended this rays. Okay, clear or not all the students? He extended this rays up to where? Up to here. There is a what? It will be moves in this format. Why we write this straight line only? You know very well, all the students. It is a propagated, that all the light rays are propagated in the rectilinear propagation. That's why we write this straight line. And here also you draw one more straight line here. Okay, clear or not all of you? In case you are take our screen at here, the image is a get in this form. Why? Because this ray is a what? This ray is a come from this bottom. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, not a speed. Our light ray is propagated in a rectilinear propagation. That's why only we write like that. Yes, for our understanding purpose, we are not take here. Okay, now yes, candle. You take here one of the small doll like this. Small doll you have to take here now. Okay, now. You take a small doll like this here. Got it or not all the students? Now the light ray is a come from here and it is a fall on this particular place. And the light ray is a come from here, fall on this particular place. And here the image is a formed how? The image is a formed like this here in the small manner. There is a what? Here it will be come from where? It will be come from foot. Okay, now there is this light ray is taken the foot image only, the foot image only. This light ray is taken the what? This light ray is taken head image only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Class class ఏ క్లాస్?
నా క్లాస్
1000 రూపీస్
అంటే మొత్తం సార్ 1000
కాదు, ఒక 3000 అని చెప్పండి. అప్ టు మార్చ్ ఏప్రిల్ వరకు.
300 మనకి కట్టదు. 3 కట్టకపోతే సార్ 2 తీసుకోవాలి.
లాస్ట్ 25 అమ్మా. Yeah, in this way there it will be moves up is become down, down is become up, up is become down. In this format our image is one check it here how the image is formed. If you are put the screen here, there is a what? This is the foot position. This is the what? Head position. I hope you understood all the students. Yes, how there is a image is a formed. Here in case you taken a screen here, it will be get the image is like that. If your screen is here, it is a get like this. Your screen is here like this. Your screen is here like this. Your screen is like here like this. Here what will we get for us? This image is a become what? A point image. It is a called what? A point image. I hope you got it. Yes, there is a what? After that, the rays are changes their paths because of this edge, and the light is a move in this format. This light is a up light is a moving in the form of a down. This down light is a moving in the form of a up. Okay, clear or not, all of you? In this mode only, there is our image is a gate for us. Okay, got it or not? The next to come to here, there is a whatever. This is the first component we are taken here. There is it is the object, and from the object our light tracer comes like this, and because of that, there is a what here? Yes, from this activity we learn that because of the position of object, because of the position of a screen, the image sizes are changes. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Because of that position of object and position of our screens, there is a image sizes are changes. Clear or not, all the students? And as well as the size of entry may increases here. Suppose we are increasing the size here in another diagram. Okay, there is a what? There is a object is a not varied here. The object is a not varied here, and there is a what we are taken this much of small hole. Now we are taken equal amount of a hole. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a equal we are taken equal to the, yes, this man we are taken whole. What is going on? There is a light rays are directly the comes like that only. Okay, clear or not, all of you? In case the light ray is propagated in this direction, okay na, it will be comes. Okay na, in this direction, it will be meted it here only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And now there it will be what? Moves in this particular parallel to the one another. The rays are parallel to the one another. The image is also formed equal to the size of that our, yes, our object only. Okay, clear or not, all of you? In this way, there is a totally, you have to draw the diagrams for the various situation. Yes, once you go away from the normal, suppose you go away from the pinhole, your object is at here somewhere. Okay, what is going on? Here it will be going, the light ray is moves in this direction. Okay, clear or not, all of you? The point image is formed here. There is automatically the sizes are the screen of the same places. What is that? Size is increases. Okay, clear or not, all of you students? In this mode only we concluded about our, yes, this particular pinhole image formation. About this we will discuss again later, yes, very clearly this particular thing. Okay now, yes, and now we are going to discuss the next second activity. Yes, what is the second activity is there here? Yes, there is a once activity 2 once come here, comes with activity 2. There is a what here? A smart crow, yes, is on a tree. A smart crow is on a tree at a point A as shown in figure. Some grains are on the ground Mn. If the crow wants to take a grain and, yes, reach the point B on the other tree as early as possible, in least time, from where we should crow pick up the grains, that is only we have to discuss. There is a what? We have one tree is there here. What is there here? On this particular place, one tree is there here. On this tree, there is a one small board will be there. Okay, one of the crown will be there here. Okay, it is a one of the small crown, it is there at a point A. Clear or not, all the students? And now there it will be, yes, somewhat a point at where it is a what? Actually M and as well as the N. M and as well as the N. Yes, and if there is a between M and N, yes, somewhat a ground are there here. Okay, what is there here? Grains are there here. Another, it is a point at A, and at another point it will be somewhat, it will be there at this particular position. at this particular position it will be there. Right here point B it will be. It is at point B. Now it is take somewhat grains are there here. Okay, it is a come from this point and it will be take somewhat grains, it will be reaches to this point B. Here at here there is a what we are required. Yes, on the other tree as early as possible. From where should the crow pick up the grain? Least time is required. With the mathematical knowledge you have about the angles and triangles, can you guess the path of the crow's selective how? Okay, clear? Yes, and the crow can pick the grains from any point on the ground, but the condition is selecting the point on the ground to reach point B from point A in the least possible time. We assume that the speed of the crow is a constant in all the paths. Okay, suppose the crow is reaches from point A to and pick up the grains to reach the B. Okay, now in a different points we are taken, but the condition is a what for us? The condition is for us compulsory. The crown should be take a least time. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. How many possibilities are there? The number of possibilities are there. But which one is the least? We draw somewhat a particular yes path here. Yes, and one check it here. Yes, there is I am taken the different paths. Okay, clear or not all of you? Different paths I am taken here. There is a from our mathematics knowledge you have to go to check this thing. Okay, now there it is a taken somewhat a C, A, B, C, and another one it is a taken somewhat D. Okay, clear or not all the students? I am taken one more path also here. Yeah, there it is a what? This is the path A, D, B, and now there is a one more path E and as well as the F. Yes, this path is a what? A, C, B path. This path is a what? A, D, B path. This path is a what? A, E, B path. This path is a what? A, F, B path. There is a different paths are there. In this all different paths, with one is a taken a shortest path, shortest time. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, that is only we have to go to discuss here. Yeah, now compare all the lengths, okay, now of this path. We make a one of the what image of this one, one of the image of this one. Which one? Okay, now yes, for observing of this purpose we take the what image of every yes thing. Okay, clear or not all of you? Image of every path you have to take. Okay, what is the image will get for us? Okay, for this paths. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now there is you have to take one of the perpendicular line, perpendicular point. Okay, now from where? From here we take here. There is it is a particular point. What is that? It is a point I am taken. Yeah, he extended our rays. He extended our rays. This ray image may I am taken here. Okay, and this ray image I am taken here. This ray image I am taken here. This ray image I am taken here. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now there it will be what actually? It will be taken as AF path is symbolized by this single line. This is symbolized with that. Yes, it is symbolized with the third. It is symbolized with the fourth. Okay, clear or not all of you? The image of the individual paths we are taken from where? From here. Okay, now here, and it will be taken like this it here. It will be taken like this here. It will be taken like this. Okay, the ACG, here what we conclude now, ACG path is somewhat equal to which one? ACB path. And here ADB path is equal to which one? It is ADG path. Okay, clear? Sorry, ADG path. Okay. And now there is a what we are taken? AEB path. AEB path, it is approximately equal to which thing, Nana? It is a AEG. And AFB is approximately is equal to AFG. In this mode, we are conclude about the our path diagrammatically. You consider like this. Okay, now yes. Now which path is the shortest one? That is only we are going to discuss here. Okay, in the figure once check it here. Yes, that all the lengths are same here, and which one is the shortest path here? Here there is a whatever the shortest path. Once check here, I am taken there is a AEG path is the shortest path. Okay, why? Because tell me, AEG path is the shortest path. Yes, all are somewhat it will be make somewhat angle. Which one? Suppose you take ACG, it is a looks in this format. Okay, na AC it will be long distance it will be takes. Okay, na somewhat once take it here, it will be also make somewhat angle. Here it is a what? In a straight line. But here once take it here our AFB, it is also make somewhat angle. The remaining all are not looks like in a form of what? Yes, a straight line. But here there is a whatever our paths we are taken along the path of AEG. When you looks in this particular nature, AEB. Okay, na AEB. That is a look somewhat in this direction only. But when we are extended, there is a one perpendicular line we drawn at this particular point, and we are extended that line. That AEG path is a become what actually shortest it is. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, every time the light is also like our crown. Every time light is also like our this crown. Selected which path? The shortest path only. It is not selected the, yes, there is a which one? Yes, which one it is? Not a longest path. Here our crow, our crow is selected which path for the traveling the shortest path in the air. Yeah, it should be compulsory not go through the ACB, not go through the AC, not go through the ADB. It is selected which one? It is selected the same distance from A to the, yes, MN, and again the same distance from here, from where? From E to the B. That is from MN to the B. Here that is only the shortest path. All the students today, if possible, you do this all the things. Okay, now by using the clack, otherwise by using one doll, observe it is a sharp pinhole camera. It is possible how to make pinhole camera, you know very well. Simply you take one mirror. Okay, clear or not all the students? You take like mirror, you take like this mirror. Okay, clear or not all of you? And surrounded by it, okay, na, and one small hole you make for surrounding of this should be obstacle, around it should be obstacle. Through this our camera it is may not possible to show, that's why only I am not shown our whatever the diagram, it will be there. Okay, now once check it here. Okay, now our camera may appear here. Okay, clear or not all of you? Or otherwise may it is appear our whatever our textbook may appear like this here. Got it or not? Yes. In this mirror you have to take, there is a in front of this there is a one of the obstacle media is take here, and you select there is a what it here, only small pinhole. Okay, and observe this whatever the image is appeared in this particular mirror. Okay, that is in case you change the position of that our object. Okay, clear or not all of you? And the position of object here, change your position of object and as well as the size of the image and everything. Once you change and observe it, you'll get that our ideas. Tomorrow I will show with the diagrammatically, and now this is a very simple thing. You draw this diagram, you'll get it compulsory. Yes, which one is the looks in a form of a straight line? There our AEG is a looks in the form of a straight line. Remaining all are make somewhat angle with the what? Yes, there is this particular, there is a more angle made here. Okay, clear or not all of you? But here it is a what? There is a whatever the angle is a content, the same angle here it is a content. Because of that it is become as a one of the shortest path. Okay, one check through your drawings. Okay, for this crown activity purpose. Okay, thank you students, bye, take care.